In 2015, scientists detected something that shouldn't exist. A sound. Not from Earth, not from space, but from a collision. A collision of two black holes 1.3 billion light years away from Earth. And when you listen to it, you're literally hearing gravity itself. This is the story of how we finally proved Einstein right and changed science forever. Albert Einstein predicted gravitational waves in 1916. Think of it like this. When something really heavy moves, it creates ripples in space. Like when you drop a ball in water. Einstein said gravity works the same way. The problem? These ripples are tiny, impossibly tiny. By the time they reach Earth, they are so small that it's like finding a small grain of sand in an entire ocean. For 100 years, scientists tried to measure them and failed over and over. Enter LIGO. It's basically the most sensitive measuring device ever built. Here's how it works. Imagine a 4-kilometer tunnel, laser beam shooting back and forth between two mirrors. When a gravitational wave passes through the Earth, it slightly changes the distance the laser travels. LIGO is so sensitive that it can detect a change smaller than a proton. The scientists spent decades building it. They invested billions of dollars. Why? Because if gravitational waves don't exist, it is all for nothing. It is the ultimate high-stakes experiment. Then, on September 14th, 2015, at 5:51 am, something incredible happened. LIGO picked up a signal. In less than a second, two black holes, 30 times heavier than our Sun, had collided far away in space and merged together. The collision was so powerful that it sent ripples through space itself, and LIGO caught them. When scientists made the signal as sound, it made a chirp, like a bird's call racing in pitch. That chirp of sound was two massive objects crashing into each other, a billion light years away. For the first time in human history, we could literally hear the universe. Why does this matter? Two reasons. First, it proved Einstein right. A century after his prediction, we finally confirmed that his prediction was right. And that is huge in science. Second, it opened a brand new way to explore space. For 400 years, we used telescopes to see the light. But light can't pass through dust. It can't pass through certain places in space. Gravitational waves can go anywhere. So now, we have got the second set of eyes for the universe. Since that first discovery, LIGO has found dozens of such collisions, merging black holes, smashing of neutron stars, etc. And here's the wild part. In 2017, two neutron stars collided. And for the first time ever, we detected the gravitational waves and saw the explosion through a telescope at the same time. We watched the same event in two completely different ways, and something amazing happened. Scientists discovered that some of the gold and platinum that we have on Earth came from that collision. The gold on your phone, in the rings, in jewelry, it was forged in the explosion of two dying stars colliding with each other. So, here's what blows my mind. For thousands of years, the universe was completely silent to us. We could only see light, but the universe is constantly doing things. Black holes are colliding, neutron stars are crashing, supernovas are exploding. And now, for the first time ever, we can actually hear them. It's like we developed a new sense. Scientists are building even better detectors. Some will be in space, some underground. In the future, we may discover things that we may have never heard before. Maybe even the echoes of the Big Bang itself, the very beginning of the universe. The universe is full of amazing events, and we are just now learning how to detect them. Gravitational waves are only the beginning. Scientists are building even more sensitive detectors right now. In the coming years, we may detect things that we have never imagined. We may finally understand how our universe started. If you love learning about space, science, and discoveries that change the reality that we know of, subscribe. Because the universe is way cooler than we thought. Thanks for watching.